Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Belle Bottom from the new Minions movie, Minions: The Rise of Gru. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. All of that is awesome. And maybe share this with someone who is also excited about the new Minions movie. Alright, so to start drawing Belle, I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to do a line like that, and then do underneath, and then I'm going to do a few of these little, almost like little dotted lines up top, just kind of making the shape of a circle. And then here underneath this straight line, I'm going to do a little half circle and color that in all black. And on top of these little kind of dotted faint lines, we can do an eyebrow like that. Nothing too thick. And then we can come on down a little bit and do a nose. So we got a little curve here. And then we can do another, a little bump here in the middle, and then do another curve, but it's opposite of this one. And in between right here and in right here, we can do a little dark area. So it's just like a little bit of nostril showing, but not much. Now we can do the other eye. So we can come on up with a little line here. We can do our other circle. Now remember, the top of this part is pretty faint, and then we've got a straight line here, and then the other part of our circle, and then the half circle that we're coloring in all dark. Okay, and then I'm going to come over to this side and try to make them match up a little bit better. But they don't have to be a perfect match. So now we can do the other eyebrow. Just do what we did earlier, but on the other side. All right, so far so good. Now we can do lips. So I'm gonna do a little line like that. And a big top lip, and a big bottom lip. All right, so now we can work on the shape of the face poking out of all that hair. There is a lot of hair on this character. So we can come on down. Just got a rounded face here. Like that. And actually, before I do any more of the hair, I'm going to do the two great big shoulder, floofy shoulder pieces she's got on her outfit. So we can just do all kinds of little floofy bits, kind of like a feather boa, like that. And same on the other side. Lots and lots of floofy bits. And now we can go on with the hair. I want to do the little bits of feather boa kind of stuff first because you see how it kind of gets in the way of the hair. All right. So much hair. So actually, so much hair, it's not gonna all fit on the page. There's a lot. but maybe you gave yourself more room. Maybe you can actually fit all the hair on your page. I did not give myself that much room. Oh well, we got a lot of hair here. And I think I might actually do a little bit of a smirk here. So she's got like a little side smile here, a little devious bit of a smile. And let's see, right here we can do a little U shape and a little bit of a line here for the neck. And right here, let's bring down a line for her outfit. And bring down another one. And a line for the arm. And we can curve it right here, do a little bit of a point for an elbow. And she's got some pretty thin arms. And right here at the end of her sleeve would be another big fluffy kind of feather boa situation, same as right here on the shoulders. And we can bring down this line, same as previously. And right here. And we can bring down this arm and she can just have it kind of straight. And we can do big floofy feather boa kind of sleeve. And now, like right here, she's going to have like a little gold chain around her waist and another one here. Just putting in a few little lines here, just to kind of help the fabric, give the fabric a bit more shape. All right, and next let's do the earrings. So up here, we're going to do a great big circle and then a littler one inside it. So they're big hoop earrings. And it's okay we don't see the ears. They're kind of hidden in all the hair. So we can do another one, kind of poking in under a big piece of hair here. Like that. Okay, so I'm going to get started coloring now. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have the best day ever, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!